Good day, everyone. Today we will talk about curriculum implementation as a change process based on Kurt Lewin's force field theory. So first, what is curriculum? So curriculum, it is a plan, what to teach, how to teach, and what students must learn. Yes. And implementation means putting the plan into actions in the classroom. But remember, implementation is equals to change. And change is never easy. According to Kurt Lewin, change happens when two sets of forces interact. The driving forces and the restraining forces. So driving forces, factors that push or encourage us to accept and adapt change. Yes. And example of driving forces is new lesson using technology makes learning more interesting, easier to understand, and more interactive. This push teachers and students to try new ways. And the restraining forces is factors that hold back, resist, or slow down change. So the example of this is fear of making mistakes, lack of training, or being used to old methods. These keep people stuck in the old ways of doing things. And lastly, the equilibrium. This is the balance point where driving forces and restraining forces are equal and opposite. So when this happens, no change occurs. We stay exactly where we are because the push to change is matched by the resistance to change. So how do we make change happen? To forward and implement a new curriculum or policy. So the first one is strengthen driving forces. We can show more benefits, give examples, explain why it's better. Second is we can restraining forces. Example of this is to provide training, support, practice, and encouragement. So once the balance is broken, when driving forces become stronger than restraining forces, it takes the change takes place. So important reminder of this is change is not just about rules or new lessons. It is about people. If we really want educational progress, we must be open to change, understand why people resist, and help them overcome those concerns. So resilience and cooperation are key to making any new curriculum work. So that would be all. Alright, it seems that you look so sleepy. So now may I request everyone to please stand for your energizer. Let's have an energizer first before you go home. Alright. Stand here in the middle and form a line. One line only. Right. So This activity is called agree or disagree. Alright, so the instruction here, if you agree, move to the right. And if you disagree, move to the left. Alright, so I will read a statement and it's up to you if you agree or disagree. So I will read a statement once. Alright. Statement number 1. Learning new things is good. Alright. Statement number 2. Change is sometimes scary. Statement number 3. Old ways are always better. Statement number 4. We need to improve our school. Alright, very good. It seems like you energized. Alright. See the activity. Some of you agreed and some of you disagreed. So those who like change are driving forces, and those who are scared or like old ways are restraining forces. To make progress, we need to help everyone understand why change is good so we can move forward together. Alright? Go back to your seats now. Thank you, guys.